today's Bitcoin analysis on weekly time frame, we had this level of resistance for the price, and the price touched that in the previous weeks, and it gave us an engulfing candle like this, a nice bearish candle on a resistance, showing that the price is getting rejected from this level. I told you that we can risk somewhere here and put our stop loss above the candle and look for our reward, which the price is in the way to give us our long-term reward of Bitcoin. And right now we are in profit, of course, okay, but it is actually position for those who are trading based on support and resistances. Okay, I didn't enter myself because it is not my strategy. I just trade based on breakouts, and I just rarely enter buy and sell positions based on support and resistances. Let's check daily time frame to see what we have there. On daily time frame, we had this level of support for the price and the candle we wanted on that. I told you that enter buy position here with a stop loss below the candle and look for our reward, which the price is in the way to give us our reward. Okay, but we also have this trend line from upside. If we extend it a bit like this, if the price can break this trend line to the upside in the next days to the upside and close the candle up there, we can enter a long-term buy position on Bitcoin, set our stop loss somewhere safe and look for our reward. But on 4-hour time frame, if we check that, right now we have this trend line for the price with actually 2 touches, and when we see this candle couldn't break it to the downside, its body is up of the trend line, so we extend it like this, and also some shadows here. Again, we extend it and wait for the next candles to break it to the downside. Okay, but it can be more beautiful to draw it from here. Okay, no difference, but it is better to draw it from there. Okay, I'm gonna clean this one. So we are waiting for this trend line to be broken to the downside, that we can have our sell position opened on 4-hour time frame of Bitcoin. Let's check 1-hour time frame. Let me show you something in the 4-hour time frame. I just forgot that. I told you that we have this level of resistance for the price and a bearish candle on that there. We can enter sell position there if you are trading based on support and resistances with a stop loss above the candle and get our reward, which the price of course gives us our risk to reward too somewhere here. Okay, which is really nice. These are some kind of live trade too, which you can actually learn from these things and use them in the real market and make money with them. Let's check 1-hour time frame now. On 1-hour time frame, I don't see anything special. With the break of this trend line, I told you that we can have our sell position opened. Okay, and yeah, I don't see anything special. Let's check 15-minute time frame. Let me return to 1-hour time frame, just going back. We had the resistance. I always tell you that you can enter buy and sell positions on support and resistances in the lower time frames. Okay, with the bigger time frames, support and resistance. Okay, like we had this resistance in the 4-hour time frame and the candle in the 1-hour time frame. So you can enter sell position here to enter earlier for bigger rewards, like risk to reward, I believe 3 and even more than that, like this one. On this candle here, it gives us 3.7. okay, which is really nice. Let's check 15-minute time frame. If you have watched my previous analysis, I told you that on 15-minute time frame we have this trend line for the price. With the break of this to the downside, we can have our sell position opened here with a stop loss above the candle and get our reward. Okay, which the price breaks it and gives us our reward here, which is nice. And right now on 15-minute time frame, if we check that, we have this trend line for the price which is broken to the downside. We can risk somewhere here and enter sell position with a stop loss above the candles and look for our reward. And also you can ignore this trend line, the bigger trend line, bigger time frames trend line, and look for your reward. Let me show you 5-minute time frames analysis too. You can see we had the trend line which is broken to the downside, and the price made its pullback to this level here, and it is falling right now. Let me check if I had if we had a position there or not. I think it is for 1 minute time frame, but we had the trend line here which was broken to the downside here too. We could have a sell position here too with a stop loss above the candle and look for our reward. You must watch my previous analysis of Bitcoin up there and check it out to see these positions are true or not. I'm just making from myself. I'm just joking with you or something. Come on, these are live trades, okay? You can actually use them for educational side and make money in the real market. On a 5 minute time frame, the price is in transition, and the price broke it here and it made its pullback and it is falling right now. Let's check 1 minute time frame. On 1 minute time frame, the candles are a bit not my favorite, so I'm not gonna have any analysis of that today, but we can have a support here for the price. Okay, so the support here. Yeah, nothing else. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also if you have any questions you can ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.